Mrs. Awasthi, thank you very much. Happy anniversary. I'm sure this wasn't your anniversary plan, ma'am.
Walked in, I thought she's getting me a cake. Hey, thank you. No, thank you so much. This came as a surprise. I was teaching students in Batkande and I got frantic calls. Please come to Taj. Please come to Taj. I came running. कि हुआ क्या गया? अभी हंसते हुए बता रहे हैं कि we have a surprise. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. We completed 38 years of our marriage.
Mrs. Awasthi is no stranger to all of you. She's a very well-renowned singer. So, ma'am, on the occasion of your anniversary, one or two lines for sir that you would like to say.
दिन भर सुनते ही रहते हो तो बेचारे. I don't think he was in a mood to hear this. लेकिन हम लोग के 2 साल शादी तय रही. So it is a 40th, you can say 40 years of togetherness. So may this, 2 lines. Okay.
Ma'am, it's an anniversary request.
नजरिया लग जाए मेरे बनने को कोई मत देखो. नजरिया लग जाए मेरे बनने जी मेरे नौशे को कोई मत देखो. नजरिया लग जाए मेरे बनने को कोई मत देखो. नजरिया.
Thank you very much, ma'am. A huge round of applause. That was totally unscripted, but thank you for being such a
Thank you,
sport.
News 18 and Money Control, for this momentous occasion for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. And we promise not to take more time away from you on your anniversary, but thank you
Can
very
I
much.
say one more thing? This is also a surprise. We are here at Money Control. So all I want to say is, आज तो आजा बगल में. We are both traveling in our own orbit, busy. Somebody said yesterday that we are done with an institution called marriage and that she would not recommend young people get into this. All I have to say is, in India we are saved and we have managed to save our traditions and culture because of very strong foundation of marriage. And marriage is all about family values, bonding and getting and bringing everybody close together. And any marriage, for that matter, any relationship requires a lot of understanding and companionship and understandings where you surrender your ego and the larger goal should be the bigger goal between the two. So I would say to everyone who's still thinking whether to get married or not, do get married and have children as fast as possible. And be happy.
आप अभी कह रही थी थोड़ी देर पहले जब हम लोग यहाँ बात कर रहे थे और जब अवस्थी साहब का यूपी की इस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक जर्नी पर सब कुछ चल रहा था, सेमीकंडक्टर जर्नी पर, कि जो हमने सोचा नहीं था कि इस लखनऊ में ये भी कभी डिस्कशन होगा और इस पर भी यहाँ पर इस तरह के कन्क्लेव्स होंगे. आपने इस चेंज को कैसे महसूस किया इतने वर्षों में जो मेजर शिफ्ट आया है?
देखिए, पत्रकार पत्रकारिता नहीं छोड़ते. नहीं, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं यही कह रही थी कि कभी सोचा नहीं था हम लोगों ने कि इकोनॉमिक फोरम्स जो है स्टेट के उसमें आएंगे, वो इतने इम्पोर्टेंट होंगे पॉलिसी मेकिंग में, डिसीजन मेकिंग में, फॉर ब्रांड्स ऑल्सो टू टॉक अबाउट इट, हाउ दे विल हैव अ रोल इन अ डेवलपमेंट एरिया. All I will say is it is great to see UP where it is heading. As a young and a very staunch UPite, this is where we always dreamt to take UP. And I feel so proud when I see the, taglines and I see UP on top 2 numberings. This was a dream. I think every UPite had given up long back. UP का तो कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. But somehow, I think with blessings of Lord Ram, we have managed to reach where we used to watch other states, leading. UP is leading by example and may this grow by years. So thank you so much for bringing this.
Thank you very much, ma'am.